Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am getting ready for a date night tonight. Psych. I'm literally getting ready for dinner tonight with my family. We are going to do that. I'm posting daily during quarantine, so you should definitely like and subscribe. So first, what we want to do, we're taking our Barbie headband because it's stylish for sure. Damn. Okay, so first we're taking this Makeup Forever Step 1 primer, and we're just gonna put this into the T-zone. Oh my god. Is this like... Guys, what is going on? So we're just putting this into the T-zone. But yeah guys, I wish I was going on a date. It feels like it's been a long time. Usually for dates, I don't like to wear too much makeup. It's like I go on a lot of dates, right? I usually don't put a lot of makeup on just because, you know, guys are saying now these days that they like girls without makeup. Which, like, I respect that, honestly. I mean, I get it. You really want to see all my lips everywhere on a date? I don't think so. Now we're taking this Dewy Set setting spray. It's just a... if you want, I don't know. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Cucumber. It's so funny because it's like in Spanish on one side and then English on the other. So I'm like, concumber? I don't know. But it's cucumber. But it smells like cucumbers, straight from the garden, guys. A foundation that I like to use when I don't want to look cakey or looks like that I have foundation on is this Dream Maybelline BB cream. I'm using these two shades because this is too dark for me right now and this is too light. So we're just gonna mix it together. I'm just gonna dot this, focus this on the center of my face, and then take this darker shade and focus this on the outskirts and like where I would contour normally. And I'm taking this damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna bounce this in. I probably need to put more on because I am breaking out really bad right now. Shucks, we hate it. Yo guys, I just watched what's it called? I just watched Out of Shadows, and y'all need to watch that right now. It got 5 million views in 3 days, which is insane. Like, Hollywood is pretty much rigged right now. Should we trust what the media is telling us, and like fake news and conspiracy theories, CIA with Hollywood, all that? So how it's like all corrupt and everything. It's very interesting. It really makes you think about everything that you've watched. It's crazy, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more right here on my cheeks a little bit because I honestly think I have rosacea. Now that we have our foundation on, we're just gonna take a Benefit Boy concealer. So yeah, we're just gonna focus that on our inner corners, and it's really important to be very careful with your under eyes because that is one of the first signs of aging. And you're like, whoa, what? No way! Yeah, way, guys. I like this for a date night because yes, it's a concealer, but it's not like you're putting on like Tarp Shape Tape and caking it on, you know? That no makeup look, you know? Yeah, feel me though? Now that we have our concealer on, we are going to lightly set our face. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm just gonna dump some of that into the pan. Dip my beauty blender, just really focusing it on the tip, instead of just like really just like diving like that. And we're just gonna put that just a little bit underneath our eyes where we put that concealer, on our eyelids as like a primer for our eyeshadow, our chin, and our forehead. Again, our T-zone. So what we're going to do with the eyes is very simple, very easy, and I'm going to take my Naked 3 eyeshadow palettes. I love this because all the blushy colors just remind me of going on a date, you know, the color of love. So we're going to take the color Limit, it's just a transition shade, pop this into the crease, and work it back and forth. Just kind of placing it everywhere, honestly. Oh yeah, we're just working this with a smaller blending brush and dip it into Mooner with an M. And it's just a darker, like, plum shade. And I'm just gonna work that on my outer V and then just lightly blend it through the crease, but really just focusing it on the outer corner. So now that we have that working, we're gonna take the color Liar, or actually Factory. We're gonna take Factory, and I'm just dipping it in, tapping off the excess, and just kind of, oh my god, are you kidding me? We're just working this kind of on the outer V, and then kind of blending it on my lash line. So now we're just going to take a blending brush and blend out any harsh lines with that color that we just put down, just to diffuse it. Let me see. Okay, this Anastasia palette that I made from Sephora. It's really cool. The gold shimmer color in this is broken, which sucks, but we're just gonna take our finger, lightly dab it into the powder, and we're just gonna place this on our eyelid. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna take this and put this on the inner corner, and then kind of stopping in the middle of your eyeball, just like that. And then just gonna, we'll blend it out later. But I like a good like bronzed eye. I'm gonna do my other eye. No guys, that's literally the last step. So I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Smaller blending blush and just blended out that shimmer. Now we're gonna work on the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna dip back into the transition shade that we used, and I'm gonna just blend that on our lower lash line. Work it back and forth. Just smoke it out a little bit. Nothing too crazy though, because we don't want too much going on, you know? Nothing too crazy. Okay guys, so now that we have our mascara on, we're gonna take a dust and we're just gonna put that on our inner eyes for a pop of pink and a little shimmer. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that and a little bit of Strange, and it's just a matte cream color, and we're gonna use that as our brow bone highlights. A perfect combination for this look for a brow bone. Alright, yes. We're just gonna take this dome fluffy brush and we're just gonna wipe away that little bakage that we did. That's great because it just catches the fallout that happened with our eyeshadow. To take this Butter Bronzer. I like this because it's matte and it's just easy to work with. And we're just going to contour the face a little bit, really focusing it on our the outer portion of it, instead of just really just going. It just really does make a whole lot of a difference. And, you know, it takes a while to, like, learn how to blend. it took me, how I learned was from watching YouTube videos, but I mean, it takes some practice for sure. Yeah, we're just gonna blend that, and we're gonna do a little bit on the jawline right here to cover up that double chin. See, we need to cover that up. I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna contour the nose, and I'm just gonna take the same brush, and I'm just gonna pinch it, and just work that on both sides. I think this like makes somewhat of a difference. I like the look of this because it's like your tan doesn't stop. It goes on your nose and on top of your forehead and like the sides of your face, I guess. Now we're gonna take this Too Faced bronzer. It's really good. I'm just gonna take this bronzer brush and swirl it into the product and just bronze up the sides of my face. And you can be like kind of messy with this because when it comes to bronzer, guys, I go ham because I'm trying to be tan. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Guys, you know what's crazy? Taylor Swift has 150 million followers on Instagram, and that's more followers than like people who follow CNN and like Fox News, like important things that are going on in the world, and that blows my mind. Like someone has to be I mean, obviously someone's telling them like what to say and what not to say, but like they have such a huge platform that they could manipulate anything of like what we want and like what we see, what we buy. It's crazy. I've been watching way too many conspiracy theories. Okay, this Lancome blush, and it's just a kind of like pretty plum color. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. blush brush, dive right into the blush, guys. Just do it. And we're just gonna work that onto our cheeks. Like so. Put a little bit on our temples, blend it. Put a little bit on the bridge of our nose. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. My favorite part. I'm just gonna wet this just a little bit. Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Bronze Glow. I mean, oh my god. Dive right in, tap off the excess, and throw it on our cheekbones. And as you can see, it really does intensify it for sure. But not to where you can like see your pores with the highlighter on your cheeks, because that's like one of my pet peeves is when people use highlighter literally everywhere on their face and you can see all their pores. And I mean, they don't even know. I mean, it's fine. You do you, boo. But like, you really want your pores to be shut. So now we're going to take this NARS. It's a Velvet Lip Glide. Wah, wah, wah. And we're just gonna use this. I'm gonna dab the rest of this onto the lips. I think it might be a little too pink. So we're just gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, Butterscotch. And we're gonna hoist this alright to the center of our lips. And just blend it out. Like so. Another trick of the trade for you is, if you know the lining on the inside of your lips when you put on lip gloss that everyone hates and is annoying, you take your finger, and it just helps get the lines out of your lips. That's pretty much it. Let me take my hair down and everything. Okay guys, sorry about the shitty lighting, but this is my final outfits, and I really like it because it's summery. You can like wear this with the fam, but it's still kind of sexy. But this top is from Buffalo, I think. These Levi jeans are from Urban. These, I have no idea, but they're really cool. And I paired it with this Michael Kors white circular purse, very summery, berry in style. I have these earrings, they're kind of like corky, and I got them from Forever 21, super cheap. This ring, I don't know where I got it from. Y'all seen these bracelets before. This gold one, super cheap from Forever 21. Another one of those, and I got this from Italy. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Yeah, comment down your favorite restaurant. Like, Mexican is a no-no for me. It's like, who's trying to eat a burrito in front of your boyfriend? I'm trying not to do that. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and hope I'll see you tomorrow. And we just want to lock it in. Lock it in.